Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A shocking and needless design has been featured by Apple's new iPhone XR2. Steve H. McFly, a reputable insider on leaks, published the iPhone XR 2019. Recently, he also showed the renders of iPhone 11 Max. Apparently, Apple intends to continue to adhere to a single design in all its models. Then consider subscribing and hit the bell for notification of our future videos. The concept published on the web is based on all the latest rumors about this smartphone. Earlier it was reported that the iPhone 11 should get the same design as its predecessor. The cutout at the top of the screen is expected to become thinner, but the smartphone will retain the glass back panel and stainless steel frame. Another source notes that the name of the smartphone has not yet been confirmed, and it may be called, for example, iPhone XE. The design of the front panel will not change. The LCD screen has a diagonal level of 6.1 inches with a resolution of 1792 by 828 pixels with a wide cutout for the front camera and other components of the Face ID. The main camera will receive 12 megapixel resolution modules with wide angle and telephoto optics for 2x optical zoom. The lighting port will remain despite rumors of a transition to standard USB Type-C. The smartphone has dimensions of 150.9 by 76.1 by 7.8 mm. According to the insider as well, the iPhone XR 2019 in front will no different from its predecessor. The main external charge is hidden behind the dual main camera, as in the future iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Max. The camera module will be located on a square ledge in the upper left corner. According to reports, the main sensor will be identical to that in the older models, and the second to serve for a double optical zoom. More expensive iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Max will additionally get another camera. But we have to note that there are several months left before the presentation of new iPhone, which means that the devices may differ from what we see in the leaks. The presentation of the iPhone XE and other new Apple smartphones will be held in September. That's it for now. We hope you like this video. If you do, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge. And until the next video, take very good care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Yeah.